Switch the machine on. The machine is heating up. And we take our pack and we set the tray so it's so the seal forms halfway up the pack. So we need to lower this down and screw in these. And locate it so it's flat, and that is now halfway up the pack. Now to load the reel of film. Just take the film bar, remove one of the cones, take your roll of shrink film, open it up, make sure the fold is at the back of the machine, push that through, tighten that up, it's nice and tight, and then lower it into the slots, the reel carrier, take the film up through the perforators, over the roller bar, and then one half of the film goes underneath and one over the top, and then line it up so that's about right. When you've loaded the film up, this is all independently movable. You want about an inch or so there. You don't want the film right over here, otherwise it's going to snag on the corner. So if you pull it across, it wants to all pull through nice and smoothly. And you can see you can making the perforations. We need to give the machine about 10 minutes to warm up. So to start with, we can make a fresh seal. So at the moment we've got an open edge, so we do just a firm press down until you hear the click, and then ease the film away. The machine's not warm enough yet, but I'll try it the size. That's about perfect. It's important not to have any tension on the film there, so it's not pulling tight. So you pat it down and leave about an inch or so around the side. You don't want it too close and you don't want it too far away, otherwise that will never shrink down. So you just about there is about perfect. So we'll just wait for the machine to heat up. Right, the machine's heated up. 135 is about a good suggestion for a typical PVC shrink film. So before we use it, we cycle this just to get some warmth in the chamber. Then we take our pack, keep hold with your right hand, place it into the top left hand corner, and keeping hold with your right hand inside the film, move it all across in one motion, and then place it down into the chamber. And again, remove the tension on the film there, because if you leave it tight, when this comes down, it's just liable to cut through the film and not create a very good seal. So pat that down like so, and then close the lid, firm press down, and ease the film away so it doesn't set on the seal blade. When it comes out, you get the little ears at the side whilst it's still warm. You can pat those down and you get a nice pack. This is the temperature that we've set at, which is currently 135. That's the temperature that it's actually reading inside the chamber. That will go up and down because it's on a thermostat, so it will vary depending on how fast you use it. This is the sealing timer, so if it's not sealing quite properly, you could raise that a little bit. And also that is the shrink timer, so that's with a little magnet sign. That's how long the magnet here keeps the hood down, in other words how long it shrinks for. That can be lowered if it has shrunk after only a couple of seconds. You can lower that down to say 300 to speed up the process. If you wish, you can disable the shrink cycle by turning this to to the off position, and it will purely act as a sealer and won't shrink. In case you need to bag anything where the shrink might distort the product. And you can use the seal care wipes that we supply periodically to lubricate the seal base and remove any film deposits. And we're doing that at least on a daily basis. And also check the tape here for signs of wear on a weekly basis, and if you start seeing a scorch mark, it's time to replace it.